Yo, 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 everybody, what's up? This is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, I'm unboxing something I haven't done in a while. I haven't done one of these unboxings in a while, and I got this because it reminds me of a video game. And once I unbox it, you'll understand. I'm going to be unboxing today an unboxing knife. So today, my unboxing will be unboxing a boxing knife. Unboxing knife. I don't know how that sounds. I don't know how that sounds. But we're going to be unboxing a brand new unboxing knife today. And I got this because it's probably, oh, I like the way that looks. And it brought back some nostalgia of a video game that I played. So I'll give you the price and everything once we get into the unboxing. But guys, before we get into the Eagle Eye view, because that's what I'm about to do, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank everybody for the tremendous growth on the channel. We're growing. So I want to thank my new current and new subscribers for still rocking with your boy. Do me a favor, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime we drop a video. So please like, share, and subscribe. The more thumbs up we get, the deeper in the YouTube algorithms we go. So without further ado, let's see how this unboxing knife will do. Let's get to the Eagle Eye view. Right, everybody, we're in the Eagle Eye view. This is not going to be a long unboxing. Probably one of the shortest unboxings I've done in a long time. So as you can see, this is how it came. All right, so we're going to go ahead. We're going to open this bad belly up. Okay. All right, so that's all it came in here. So, and that's how it came, guys. So, here we go. We do got a nice little case. All right, here it goes right here. And this is the Gunblade knife. This reminds me of Final Fantasy VIII. I think his name was Squall. I think his name was. He had a. Okay, let's say, look at that. All right, let's look at this. How this is done. So this is a Gunblade knife, and it comes with a flashlight too. Oh, that's nice. So you have to turn it off and on. Let's see if we can bring the blade out. How to bring the blade out. And this is your locking mechanism here. You want to have that down. And what you want to do, you want to press this button. So that's how it looks fully extended. Like I said, it's going to be my a new unboxing knife, guys. Now this will run you, I think I got it for like $15.99 off of Amazon. I'll drop it in the description below, just if you need a nice letter opener or an unboxing knife. So this is how it looks, guys, fully extended. With you got the little light on it. I like that. I like that light. So you just put it back in. You hit the button, put it back in, and this is going to be a locking mechanism. If you try to push it out with the locking mechanism up, it won't go. You have to push the locking mechanism down. Let's do it again. There you go. All right, guys, let's get back to the regular view. Give my final thoughts. Yo, I'm back to give my final thoughts on the Gunblade. I like it, guys. Like I said, very short, but I thought I'd just break up the monotony. You know what I'm saying, guys? But I think I need a new unboxing knife, though. I did. You know what I'm saying? So I can cycle through this. So this just reminds me of my days playing Final Fantasy VIII. Because, you know, Final Fantasy VIII, he had the Gunblade. They were all... So, yeah, I like it. Like I said, if you push it down, if you have it down, it's unlocked. So when you put it back and you push the locking mechanism up, you push the button, it won't come out. So you make sure the locking mechanism is down, and then boom. All right, guys. Hey, before we go, do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. Again, I say please like, share, and subscribe. The more thumbs up we get, the more likes we get, the deeper in the YouTube algorithm we will go. So please hit the notification icon bell so you can be notified anytime we drop a video. This has been a very short video. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Ted, thanking you for rocking out on this short unboxing video. You have a good day. We got some more stuff coming. Peace.